what you will do.
Some time ago, the National Working Committee, in its wisdom, set up this special reconciliation committee for Osun and Lagos State. Immediately we commenced our assignment, and we were able to kickstart this from Osun State. We were there with our members, our colleagues who are not here today, because what we are submitting today is an interim report. That report itself constitutes volume 1 of the reports in respect of our assignment. And if I may refresh the memory of our leaders here, the membership comprises of 9 of us. Dr. Kayode is the secretary of the committee. His Excellency Mutia Tolani Doja is a member. Chief Kome Mustafa is a member. Tolakbe Anima Sham is also a member. Abila Banigo is a member. Monsudu Olakukoyi is a member. We also have Darushala Sunday Sholedulu and Bimbola Larry Balogun. Our admin secretary is Damola Adepite, one of your officials here. Now, we concentrated for now on Osun because of the early election that is coming, by the grace of God, on the 16th of this month. And we're quite hopeful with what we have seen, because we were there. We interacted with the contending factions there, and we believe that working together will guarantee us victory. I can tell you, sir, that the people of Osun are waiting, and they are quite anxious about this, expecting that come 16th, 17th of July, we will usher in a new PDP administration in Osun State by the grace of God. What we're able to do is to bring the parties together, and we're able to bring them all around the round table. We spoke to all the stakeholders, we spoke to all the groups, we harmonized positions that we were able to at that point. And thereafter, we prepared a report, which comprises of the minutes of our meeting, our terms of reference, our approach, and also the recommendations that we made for the consideration and if found appropriate for the implementation of the National Working Committee. We do not appear to have too much time on our hands, and that is why we think that there's need for us to kickstart this and be up and running. We are hopeful that the two parties have agreed that they were going to work together for the interest of the PDP. We were also able to extract commitments from all the sides that the only way to achieve success is if we have a united front. That united front, by the grace of God, is what we have worked on, and we also have recommended that the National Working Committee should also follow up and show more interest in what is happening in Osun State, because Osun State is doable for the PDP. In fact, the majority of the people in Osun State are expecting that come by the grace of God, 16th of July, the APC government will exit the government house. And we are assured by our people there that the coast is clear. It's on this note, sir, that on behalf of our members, the Special Reconciliation Committee for Osun and Lagos, that we submit to you this interim report for Osun alone, consisting of just one volume, with our recommendations and expectations of the people. I want to thank you especially for the confidence you have imposed in us, and also to thank the entire members of the National Working Committee for considering us worthy for this assignment. We have done what we should do, and it is my privilege and honor to submit this report to you, sir, on behalf of the entire members of this Reconciliation Committee. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and God bless you. PDP
was really one of the best we can say in terms of reconciliation, because I remember very well in less than 6 or 7 weeks that we gave you this assignment, you are even bringing report. And to be sincere, we have seen your handwork in Osun. The moment you were inaugurated, you hit the road with your work, and it has yielded, and to tell you that it has yielded fruits greatly. Why? Because today in Osun, we are sure of victory. We're just waiting for 16th, inshallah, and it's part of your contribution in terms of this reconciliation. However, I would still want to enjoin you, even though there is no election in Lagos, since part of your assignment is Osun and Lagos, I want you to take this opportunity, just like you did Osun, to hit the ground in Lagos. Because even Lagos too, apart from the fact that we're expecting, you have time now, we have election in February, so you have ample time to go to Lagos and make sure that what you did in Osun, you repeat the same. With that, I want to thank you sincerely, and this your report will go a long way, not only in Osun, but will be also guided in other state chapters. I believe this is the type of expectations we will want our members of various committees that have been settled with various assignments from this NWC. So, once again, thank you very much.
Get to the office.